One thing you want to say about ILS?
One thing that I would love to say about ILS is it's a great learning experience. Not, it is not like a usual college wherein everything is smooth and you get things solved. So even for internships and all, we really had to work on hard. Like there are other universities wherein they have a placement cell properly, wherein they're given an option like you can intern here and there. But in ILS, it's not that. So everything, whatever you need to do it from the scratch. So I think ILS in that way, they have taught us like do everything on your own and not to be dependent on others. So that is something.
One thing you just want to say to the new juniors or the people who just started their career?
So the one thing that I would love to let know the newcomers is like just give your heart and soul into it, because life post college is very difficult. When you get into the field once, then you realize that whatever hardships you felt in college was not the real hardship. The real struggle starts after you leave the college. So yes, that is something I would love to say.
One stupidest thing or something, the funniest thing you have done in this college?
In this college, not really stupid, but I think while being the convener of the Moot Court Society and all, I don't know, it was a fun learning experience. My colleagues, my juniors, they've all had a lovely time with me, because I was not one of those conveners who used to impose things on them, like you have to follow certain patterns and all. I did give them freedom, but at the same time I appreciated the kind of efforts they put in and not take things for granted. So yes, that is something that I enjoyed. Not the stupidest thing, but yeah, that is
No, it's like bunking and all, or the funny.
Come on, that bunking thing has been there ever since school. So yes, the college thing we used to do, like on Saturdays we used to bunk, we used to go to Wrong Town for YY and chai. That used to be our thing. And there was a time when this one of my professor was like, today's a Saturday, I expected you to bunk, why are you in the class? And I was like, oh, so we have a test to give. I had to be here. So yes, that is there.
And your good name?
Priyanka Thakur.
And right now, what you are, like what are you doing?
So I am practicing at the High Court and Supreme Court in Delhi. Yes,
Okay, so this is what have ILS given you. So
yes, definitely. ILS did train me to push my boundaries, because I never expected that I'll be in Delhi. And right before the tribunals, I would get into the High Court and Supreme Court. So yes, it's the kind of discipline that this college has given me in a way. It has made things a little difficult so that I know how to deal with it, and it is beneficial.